let's see what is happening currently. Most of the collection agencies, I have worked with collection agencies across Australia, Middle East, and the Americas. Call is predominant. Call is what we do. We do manual calls, predictive dialers, there's robocalls, predominant minute kind of calls we do, and sometimes we send letters. But the collection is not efficient always, for a reason that when we call a debtor, the debtor is always not comfortable taking a call. We telling him saying that, hey, you need to owe the money. Sometimes the tone is not correct. They don't feel calls coming repeated. They feel embarrassed. So what happens is they disconnect the call. And when we reach out to a person via a call, when you need to make a payment, we tell him, okay, can you courier the check by some details, or we ask for some sensitive information like card information, bank information to be given over a call, or we will ask them to visit a website, put some of their personal identifier information into it, authenticate, and then do it, which people are not always comfortable to it. When we do a call, when we are talking to a customer, the conversation goes like this: hey, can you pay by this week, or can you pay in the next 10 days? We are asking the people to confirm it's a promise, or we are asking them for a payment plan. Over a call, in the limited time of 30 seconds to 1 hour, they will not be able to confirm properly. What it ends up is it goes as a broken promise, or the payment plan which is not fulfilled. It will not be effective. The next thing is the inconsistent follow-up, because it is going to be a call-based reminder we are going to send, and always the success factor is very less. We will not be able to give the right time alert to them. And when we give a call to a person, let's say we got a file, when we give a call to a person, the person always has a question: are they legitimate? Are they trying to spam me? Who is this collection agency? What is this debt detail? Because most of the time the debt is 6 months or 1 year old. They have a question about the legitimacy. So they'll ask you to share more details. Rather, if it's going to be via a text or email, which has a portal link, which has some details, it will help them validate quickly. Yeah. So these are the challenges which are currently there with calls. So calls are good for some amount of collection, but yes, there are other aspects which can be done purely by email and text.